Welcome to our roundup of the best CNC machine options. Whether you're looking to start a small workshop, upgrade your DIY game, or launch a serious prototyping business from your garage, we've selected top-rated CNC machines that combine precision, power, and modern features. We'll break down each model's key specs like spindle performance, working area, frame construction, control systems, material compatibility, and overall ease of use to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal CNC machine for you. The first on the list is the Axis-Crete CNC router machine. The Axis-Crete CNC router machine is built for makers who want a reliable entry into the world of computer-controlled carving without stepping into industrial-level pricing. Right out of the box, what stands out most is its large working area, sturdy aluminum frame, and high-speed spindle performance. These three features alone make it a strong contender for hobbyists and small business owners alike. With a spacious cutting area, the Axis-Crete allows you to work on wood panels, acrylic sheets, MDF boards, and even soft metals like aluminum. That flexibility opens the door to custom signs, decorative panels, PCB boards, and small mechanical parts. The rigid aluminum frame helps reduce vibration during operation, which directly improves cutting precision. Stability is critical in CNC machining, and Axis-Crete clearly prioritized that in the build quality. Overall, the Axis-Crete CNC router machine strikes an impressive balance between affordability, precision, and durability. It's an excellent starting point for beginners and a dependable upgrade for hobbyists looking to expand their capabilities. Next up is the Wolf-Pawn CNC router machine. The Wolf-Pawn CNC router machine is designed for users who want stronger cutting power and enhanced rigidity. From the moment you look at it, you notice its reinforced steel frame, powerful spindle motor, and expanded engraving workspace. These features immediately position it a step above entry-level models. The reinforced frame significantly reduces flex during high-speed carving, which matters when working with hardwoods or thicker materials, where frame vibration can affect accuracy. With Wolf-Pawn's solid construction, you get more consistent depth control and sharper detailing. Its upgraded spindle motor provides higher torque output, allowing you to cut deeper and faster without compromising stability. This makes it ideal for more demanding woodworking tasks like furniture components, cabinet doors, and intricate relief carvings. It also performs well with acrylic and composite materials. The expanded workspace offers more flexibility for mid-sized projects. You're not limited to small plaques or signs. You can work on larger panels and fewer passes, saving time and improving efficiency. For small businesses producing custom products, that's a major advantage. Overall, the Wolf-Pawn CNC router machine is a strong mid-tier option. It offers improved power, structural rigidity, and workspace flexibility, making it perfect for serious hobbyists and small-scale production environments. Next, we have the Carvera Air Desktop CNC machine. The Carvera Air Desktop CNC machine is built for precision-focused creators who want advanced features in a compact footprint. It immediately stands out with its fully enclosed design, automatic tool changing capability, and smart touch interface. These premium elements elevate it beyond typical desktop CNC machines. The fully enclosed structure not only enhances safety, but also helps contain dust and noise. This makes it ideal for indoor environments like offices, studios, or classrooms. The enclosure also stabilizes internal conditions, improving consistency during longer machining sessions. One of its most impressive features is automatic tool changing. Instead of manually swapping bits for different operations, the Carvera Air handles it seamlessly. This dramatically improves workflow efficiency, especially for complex projects requiring multiple tool paths. The smart interface simplifies operation. You can monitor progress of jobs, adjust settings, and manage tasks with minimal technical hassle. Even users new to CNC machining will find the interface intuitive. In terms of performance, the precision spindle delivers clean cuts on wood, plastics, carbon fiber, and light metals. The motion system is finely tuned, allowing detailed engraving and micromilling tasks like PCB fabrication or jewelry components. Overall, the Carvera Air desktop CNC machine is a premium compact solution. It combines automation, safety, and high precision, making it ideal for creators that demand advanced functionality and a smaller workspace. Next, we have the Genmitsu Cubico CNC router machine. The Genmitsu Cubico CNC router machine focuses on accessibility and versatility. It brings together a modular design, compact yet efficient work area, and user-friendly control system to deliver a well-rounded CNC experience. Its modular construction makes assembly and maintenance easier. Components are designed for quick replacement or upgrades, which is a big plus for users who like customizing their machines over time. Despite its compact frame, the Cubico provides enough workspace for most hobby-level projects. It handles wood carving, acrylic engraving, PCB milling, and small aluminum cuts effectively. The spindle motor offers steady performance for clean finishes and detailed patterns. The user-friendly controller is especially beneficial for beginners. It supports popular CNC software, making file imports straightforward. The learning curve is manageable, and online resources further simplify the process. The frame design prioritizes stability while keeping weight reasonable. This balance allows you to place it on standard workbenches without sacrificing cutting accuracy. Overall, the Genmitsu Cubico CNC router machine is an excellent choice for newcomers and casual creators. It offers flexibility, reliability, and ease of use without overwhelming complexity. The last one on our list is the Tweetrees TTC 450 Pro CNC router machine. The Tweetrees TTC 450 Pro CNC router machine takes the top spot thanks to its large format working area, high-power spindle system, and heavy-duty structural frame. These features combine to create a machine capable of handling ambitious projects with confidence. The expansive working area allows for large wood panels, furniture components, signage boards, and detailed artistic carvings. Fewer repositioning steps mean more efficiency and better alignment across wide surfaces. Its high-power spindle delivers strong torque and stable RPM output, enabling deeper cuts and smoother finishes. Whether you're carving hardwood or milling aluminum plates, the performance remains consistent. The heavy-duty frame significantly reduces vibration, which is critical for large-scale work. Stability translates directly into accuracy, especially during extended carving sessions. Overall, the Tweetrees TTC 450 Pro CNC router machine stands out as the most capable and versatile option on this list. It offers scale, power, and durability, making it an excellent investment for serious makers and growing workshops. So that's it for the best CNC machines available right now. Whether you're a beginner exploring creative projects or a professional expanding your production capabilities, there's a machine here that fits your needs. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building and stay creative.